How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel once again. I'm hoping you're having a great day today and everything you try to accomplish this year, it becomes into reality. Welcome back to the channel. Man, shout out to the Tuner Squad like always. For the new subscribers, if you don't know who the Tuner Squad is, it's basically you guys, the new and OG subscribers that have been subbing to the channel. That's who I'm talking about. So that way you guys don't get it twisted. So today I'm going to go pick up another car. I have the money here, okay? Basically this is the car that me and my wife are gonna be driving because we have right now a 2006 Honda Civic LX. I've been doing a lot of work myself on the car. If you guys been following the channel, you guys been probably already seen a couple of videos of all the maintenance I've been doing on that car. But it's time to move on. We've been having the car for 3 years now, so it's time to move on. I will sell that car as well. I'm going to go pick up another car right now. I won't reveal it to you guys yet until we get there. You guys will see it, okay? Right now, I'm waiting for my sister and my nephew to show up so they can help me bring the car back over here. And sister, nephew, if you're watching this, I really appreciate you guys. I cannot thank you guys enough. That's why, guys, family is thicker than anything. All right? Blood is thicker than the water. That is true. So if you have good family members on your side, appreciate them and stick by them sides because there's not that many of them around. All right, then. I'll be right back, okay? Chill. Alright people, so we're on the way to go get the car right now. I'm here with my nephew Angel and my sister Erica on the back. I don't know if you can see her or not, but we're on the way over there. So once we get over there, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, my wife doesn't even know anything about this, so it's kind of like a surprise. So you guys probably will see the whole thing. I will surprise her later on today when she gets out of work. She thinks I'm at the house cleaning the bathroom right now. What are we doing, Gordo?
I don't know.
This boy don't want to talk in front of the camera. He's shy. Like he never wants to say nothing. We just had a party, and you know how when you guys blow your candles and you're supposed to say something or whisper something? This fool say I ain't got nothing to say.
It's quiet. It's quiet. That's all.
I don't know what to say.
All right, but anyways, I will see you guys in a few minutes. I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see us driving or anything, but I will record some of the road footage so that way, you know, it kind of look cool on the video. But I also want to say thank you to the new subscribers. I will shout you out. I will shout you out on the next blog.
At the light, turn right onto Austell Road Southwest.
I will shout you out on the next blog. I just have to write everybody's names down. We went from 600 to almost 700, and I really appreciate the support. Oh, and I also want to congratulate the 2 winners from the last giveaway. It's Much Reynolds and Zach Bowman. Congratulations to both of you. I will hit you up on Instagram. I think I got you guys on Instagram, and I will get your address to send you your prize. Now, we will have another giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So if, for the ones that didn't win or didn't participate, don't worry, we'll have another one coming soon. Also, I wanted to say, I forgot what I wanted to say. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit, okay? And if I remember on the way over there, I'll tell you what I supposed to tell you a minute ago, which I forgot. It's kind of ugly day right now here in Georgia. It's cloudy. They said the sun's supposed to be out, but there's no sun, so we're waiting for the sun to come out. Other than that, we'll see you guys. So right now we are inside the car. If you guys can guess what kind of car it is, you guys probably already know by the design. So trying to talk her down to another 1,000 to see what she says. Mira, look, the car has a lot of cosmetic problems, and you had told my brother that the car was clean from the outside. And the car has a bunch of dents, has a bunch of scratches.
I got you.
Yeah. So you think it's a nice car though? It's shifting properly. Like there's no hiccup or nothing. The only thing I will have to pay the dealer to do is to, or I'll probably do it myself, is change the fluid on the transmission.
Let's check what the record says. Because if she did it recently, there's no need for it to be done.
Right.
Brakes.
You don't brake like that, man. It's not a sports car. It's a SUV.
No way.
Go ahead, go. That's what she's even tripping on. You see it?
I'm not responsible for what other people think, people.
All right. What?
Cuidado.
Huh?
Con cuidado.
Si no le pegué. All right.
Las moscas, ¿verdad?
So it's a done deal, guys. We're taking the car. Now we just gotta unload a couple of bags that she got in the back of the car. So there you have it.
No, yo estoy ayudante de enfermera. Sí, sí, sí.
Ayudante de enfermera.
Sí, o una enfermera pues ayudante de doctor.
Mire, ese hombre no nos ayuda.
Okay, grab the camera. Right? I got it. I didn't.
You sure?
¿A dónde quiere que lo ponga?
Ahí, mire.
It's recording.
Hasta ahí.
¿A dónde? ¿Aquí?
Ajá.
¿Aquí?
Sí.
Yo pensaba que venían con el carro.
No, señor. ¿Quiere este? Se lo dejo.
Por favor.
Si lo quiere dejar ahí, nos lo llevamos.
quiera.
también.
Perfecto, gracias.
Ok.
Sí.
¿Algo más que quieran llevarte?
No, es todo. No, yo
¿Ya
para
tiene
que
todos
no
sus
lleve
papeles?
basura.
¿Verdad?
¿Ya tiene todo?
Ahí se encuentra algo, me lo
Ahí si encuentro
Sí, claro,
algo,
yo
se lo mando por
se lo
correo.
mando.
Sí.
Perfecto. Muchísimas gracias por todo.
Alright.
Entonces, la placa no se te olvide.
Sí,
Yo
se la mandamos por correo.
mañana lo voy a dar de baja.
Ajá, sí. Sí es la dirección correcta.
Sí, esa es la dirección.
Perfecto.
No puede dejar también ese ahí.
Oh, se lo quiere usted.
Sí, pues para que verga.
Digo, ¿verdad? Por favor. Ajá, se va a poner a limpiar ahorita.
Sí.
Oh,
Muchas,
bueno.
muchas gracias, ¿ok? Te lo agradezco.
Gracias. Que Dios me la
¿Ok?
bendiga.
Sí,
Y no se preocupe, yo la voy a cuidar.
ándale pues.
¿Ok?
De
¿Tiene
todo-
el número del señor? De su amigo.
Sí, yo lo tengo aquí en Facebook Market, que me lo mande aquí. ¿Me lo puede
bueno,
mandar
sí,
aquí?
se lo mando.
Y ya después el lunes o el martes, porque el martes mi esposa descansa,
Ujú,
yo le voy a mandar la placa, que le voy a decir que ella que se la mande, ¿ok?
ujú.
¿Está bueno?
Sí, por
Sí,
favor.
Sí,
Ahí
y si
les
me,
encargo.
si nos manda el
Porque
número
yo
del
mañana
señor.
lo voy a dar de baja
Perfecto,
y la aseguranza también.
perfecto.
Ok.
Sí.
Ujú.
Sí, y si le digo, si nos hace el favor de mandarnos la información del señor, estaría perfecto.
Sí.
Sabe, doñita. Bueno, muchísimas gracias.
Ándele, cuidado.
Gracias.
Ok.
Mucho gusto.
Muchas gracias de nuevo, ¿ok?
Sí.
Te lo agradezco. Iba a ir hasta Alfarreta a ver otra blanca, pero no me gusta el color blanco y luego lo de adentro se va a ensuciar muy rápido y por eso mejor vine a ver la de usted.
Bueno.
Pero el chavo ya me había dicho que fuera a hablar con él y todo, pero no sé, me decidí venir a ver la de usted. Ándele, le iba a decir, ya ve, le dije que si ya tenía todo y me había dicho que sí.
Es que se lo traje de la basílica.
Si usted me hubiera dicho, mándamelos por correo, se los hubiera mandado también.
Ah, pero
Sí.
ya gracias a Dios los vi. Me acordé.
Si encuentro algo más, se lo mando junto con la placa, ¿ok?
Ándele pues.
¿Está bien?
Sí. Sí.
Otra vez. Hasta luego.
Sí.
No vaya a llorar, ¿ok?
No, no, no.
Anda, papi.
Y si la quiere para atrás, me dice, se la vendo para atrás. No, no es cierto, no puedo. Ya vine hasta acá. Hasta luego.
Sí, gracias.
Alright guys, it's a done deal, man. We bought the truck. It's a 2014 RAV4. Got it for a great deal. She was willing to come down a couple of more dollars. And also I got 2 keys, that's a plus. Every time you buy a car, you always want 2 keys. One for you and one for your wife, if you know what I mean. Alright then, so I'm on the way back home now. Peace. Anything you want to say to my subscribers?
Hi.
And tell the new people that's watching to subscribe.
Yeah.
Look.
Do subscribe.
Look, Papo almost hit us over here.
God bless.
Oh, yeah. Cuando llegue el verano. Anyways, they helped me bring the car back already, so they're fixing to leave. I will give you guys a quick rundown right now.
Déjaselo, no se lo quites, déjaselo. Se va a ver
Dad,
feo,
don't worry, I'll get it out.
Se va a ver feo.
Yeah, heat
Ahorita
gun.
que lo quites, ya.
Hey,
gun.
thank you, man. Thank you
No
very
problem.
much for helping me.
No problem.
Thank you. He don't want to be on camera, guys. Hey,
Alright, Papa.
thank you.
Running from the FBI.
Love you.
I love you too.
It's a good car. And it drives really smooth.
Yeah, of course, it's nuevo también.
If you guys guess how much I pay for it, tell me in the comments down below and I'll send you some free merch. But you guys have to guess. Alright? It's a 2014 RAV4. Has new tires on. It's been well serviced. It has a few scratches here and there, but no big deal. This is what it looks like. Alright? I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, here we go. Wish me luck.
What the fuck?
What is that? What is that?
What the hell? That's not ours.
It is. Alright. Turn the light on.
Oh my god, do you have me on videotape or something?
It's okay.
No, it's not.
It's our car.
What the fuck, baby?